profit and loss. So in profit and loss, I think you know the basics. Can you post your answers? If it's the cost price is 500 and the selling price is 700 of any book or a watch, anything. So it's a profit or a loss. Post your answers in the chat box. It's a profit. How much? Amount. Yes, it's a profit. Amount is 200 rupees. The cost price of the book is 500, but the same person selling that same book for 700 rupees, so that the profit is 200 rupees. And come to the next example. And if maybe a watch, this cost price is 700, selling price is 1000, or selling price 400. It's a profit or a loss. How much rupees? Yes, it is a loss. 300 rupees. Okay. So now we are going to solve all the problems without using any formulas. Okay, without using any formulas. But only one thing you have to keep in mind: the cost price. This cost price is always the 100% amount. The cost price is always the 100% amount. Okay. Now we have two examples. Can you tell me the first example? What is 100% amount? The first example. What is 100% amount? Yes, Pooja, right. Post your answers. What is 100% amount in the first example? There is a cost price. So in the first example, the 100% amount of that book is what? 500 rupees. And come to the next one. What is the 100% amount of the second example? Watch. What is 100% amount? Yes, right. So the 100% amount of that watch is 700 rupees. Okay. Now come to the questions. First question is very simple. What is a profit? A person buy a book for 200 rupees and sells the same book for 225 rupees. What is the profit and the profit percentage? First find the profit. First your answer. What is a profit in this question? I post the same question in the chat box. Yes, it is a profit, 25 rupees. Okay, what is 100% amount in this question? What is 100% amount in this question? 200 rupees, right. So list the percentage one side and the price in the other side. Okay. So this 200 rupees is 100 percentage. You have to find the profit and also the profit percentage, right? So this 25 rupees is how much percent? Can you find and tell me? Do the cross multiplication. So 100 percentage of that book was 200 rupees. Therefore, the profit amount 25 rupees is how much percentage? So just do the cross multiplication. X into first cross. X into always start with X. X into 200 equal to 25 into 100. So X is equal to 25 into 100 divided by 200. So now post your answers. What is the profit percentage? 107. So just cancel the zeros. What is 25 by 2? So the profit percentage is 12.5%. Any doubts? Is that clear? No doubts. Okay. We'll do the second question. See the second question. A person buy a watch for 500 and sells it for 300. Find the loss and the loss percentage. Loss is very simple. Post your answer. What is the loss? What is the loss here? Post the same question in the chat box. Yes. So have to find the loss and the loss percent. You know the loss. Loss is nothing but 200 rupees, right? 200. So what is 100 percentage amount in this question? That means what is cost price? Yes, 100 percentage amount is 500. And then find the loss percentage. That means this amount is how much percent? Find it. Same method. Right. Your answers are right. 60 or 40. So do the cross multiplication. First cross x into 500 equal to 200 into 100. So which will be what? X is equal to 200 into 100 divided by 500. So just cancel the zeros. X is equal to 200 by 5. So 40%. So 40 percentage loss. Third question. A gold bracelet sold for rupees 14,500 at loss of 20 percentage. What is the cost price of the gold bracelet? What is the cost price of the gold bracelet? Now post your answer. How much percentage you have to find? If you pose the right answer for this question, you understood this concept. How much percentage you have to find now? What is the cost price of the gold bracelet means? That is, how much percentage of that gold bracelet? Post your answers. Yes, cost price and the percentage. 100%. Find the 100 percentage amount. Okay, okay. How much percentage amount given in the question? 20 percentage loss. If you're selling that same gold bracelet for 14,500, it will be a loss for you. That is 20 percentage loss. No, 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 wait. 20 percentage loss. Okay. That 14,500 is not a loss amount. That is a selling price. That is not the loss amount. So have to find the 100 percentage. Selling price is given, that is 14,500, and the loss percentage is given, that is what? 20%. 20 percentage loss. Now you have to find the cost price. That means what? 100 percentage you have to find. Cost price find பண்ணோம்னா 100 percentage amount நீங்க find பண்ணணும். Okay. This given amount 4,500 is how much percentage? Always keep in mind you are comparing all the selling price and the loss percentage and the profit percentage with the cost price. That means the middle amount is 100 percentage. If it is a profit, add with 100. If it is a loss, subtract with 100. Therefore, this given amount is how much percentage? Given amount 14,500. How much percentage? Hundred minus 20. Very good, very good. Right. 100 minus 20. Okay, 20 percentage loss because of the selling price. But this is not a loss amount. Okay, so 80 percentage amount is 14,500. And find. So same cross multiply. X into 80 first cross equal to 100 into 14,500. So X is equal to 100. I'll post the same question in the chat box. So X is equal to 100 into 14,500 divided by 80. Post your answers now. What is the cost price? Yes, Ahmad right, Kailash right, Santosh right, Anirudh right, Kumar right, Kavyashri right, Deepan right. Post your answers. 109 students are there. All the students should post your answers in the chat box. Akshay, Niveta, Ahmad, Kirtika, Shalini, Ishmika, Ratika, Bala, right answer. So 18,125. Therefore, the cost price of the gold bracelet is 18,125. So the same person if the same person selling that gold bracelet for 14,500, it will be a loss, 20% loss for them. So I think you understand the concept now. This 14,500 is not the loss amount. It is a selling price. So when you find the difference between these amount, that is a loss for you. Okay, come to the question number 4. Question number 4. A calculator is bought for rupees 350 and sold at the profit of 15%. What will be the selling price of the calculator? Now, first post it. What is 100% amount in this question? What is the? Can you mute your audio? Giri Taran? What is 100% amount in this question? Post your answers. Ritika, right? Yes. Yes, 100% amount is 350 rupees. Cost price is the 100% amount. Always the cost price is the 100% amount. Okay. And what will be the selling price? So because of that selling price, the person got 15% profit. Yes or no? So how much percentage you have to find now? Post your answers. Very good, Ritik. How much percentage you have to find? Yes. If it is a profit, add with 100. That means cost price kuda 100. Profit percentage add 1. If it is a loss, subtract with 100. Okay, I'll pose the same question in the chat box. So we know that the cost price is 350 rupees. That is a 100% amount. Always the cost price is the 100% amount. And they have given, these are the given things. Okay. And they have given the profit percentage is 15%. So if it is a profit, when you compare with the cost price, add with 100. Okay. So find that is 115% now. Yes. So first cross always start with x. X into 100 equal to 350 into 115. So x is equal to 350 into 115 divided by 100. Post your answers now. Niveta right, Sandeep right, Bala right, Naveen, Ritika right answer. Kavya, Kailash, Kumar, Santosh, Sanjay, right answer. Akshay, Niti, Deva. Yes, your answers are right. So if the person selling the same, what is that, calculator for rupees 402.5, it will be the profit for him. How much percentage? 15%. Any doubts after this? We have completed 4 problems. Any doubts? Yes, type Y with the question number. If no, type N in the chat box. Okay, last question. So fifth question, there's a one of the placement question taken from the company Deloitte that has been given in the bracket. Read the question. The profit obtained by the selling of an article for rupees 480 is twice the loss obtained by the selling the same article for rupees 300. Okay, so what was the cost price of the article? We know that if you want to find the cost price means you have to find the 100 percentage amount. Okay, 100 percentage amount. And read the question first line again. Without that numbers, that means selling price. Without that selling price, what is given? The profit is uh, two times, twice the loss. It's or no? The profit is twice the loss. Okay. So what is given in the question? Profit equal to twice the loss. So we know the profit is selling price minus cost price or cost price minus selling price. What is profit? Selling price minus cost price. Always selling price will be the bigger one compared with the cost price in the profit case. And loss means cost price minus selling price. Okay. So in the case of a selling price, in the case of the selling price, sorry, in the case of the profit, selling price is given. Only the selling price is given, that is 480 rupees. In the case of the profit, cost price is not given. Just write CP. 2 into and come to the next thing. In the case of a loss, selling price is given 300, cost price is not given. So finally, you have to find this cost price. So when you finish this equation, that means calculate the cost price, you can find the answer. Can you do it? So 480 minus cost price is equal to 2. Just multiply those inside. 2CP minus 600. So when you add the both, you take this to the other side. 3CP equal to 108. So what is the cost price? 180 1000 divided by. Yes, sure, right. Data right. Cannot right, obviously right, PP right. So the cost price is 360 rupees. Cost price of the article 360 rupees. Okay. After the fifth question, we'll discuss in the fifth hour. And right, I'll share the Google form. Don't leave the class. Fill the Google form and then leave. So attendance link posted for MCA section, B section wait. For B section also posted. CDC harku neenga Google form da fill pannu. Don't post any names in the chat box. Okay. Fill this form and then leave. If you're not filling this, you may mark as absent students. Keep in mind, fill this Google form and then leave. Thank you all. We'll meet in the fifth hour. We'll continue with the profit and loss in the fifth hour. Thank you all. You can leave.